morning, dear students. Today I am going to begin chapter 11 section formula. This is also the part of coordinate geometry. This is the second chapter of the coordinate geometry. This chapter also you will solve in your graph copy, because in some of the question you will need graph paper. But if you want to solve it in your register, then you can solve, because only few questions will be needed graph. So let's begin the chapter. Here we have section formula. Section means parts. When a line is divided into number of parts, for example, if it is divided into two parts, this is the line PQ, it is divided into two parts in the ratio M1 ratio M2. You cannot say the ratio at what ratio it is divided. So we can say it is divided in the ratio M1 ratio M2. And the coordinate of P and Q are x1, y1 and x2, y2. We'll have two coordinates. We'll have the coordinates of the end of the line, and we have to get the coordinates of the point which divides this line into the ratio M1 ratio M2. So the first part is M1 and the second is M2. So we have the section formula for getting PR part and RQ part. We have a such section formula for R. R is the point which divides the line PQ into ratio M1 is to M2. We have the coordinate M2 x1 plus M1 x2 upon M1 plus M2, where M1 and M2 are the ratio and x1 x2 are the coordinate of the point P and Q. And for y, we have M2 y1 plus M1 y2 upon M1 plus M2. Next we have midpoint. Midpoint means when this R point divide this line PQ into two equal parts, means 1 is to 1. When the line PQ is divided by R in the ratio M is to 1 is to 1, means the midpoint. Only in midpoint, in the condition of midpoint, we have the equal ratios. So 1 is to 1. So in case of midpoint, the formula becomes, in place of M1, M2 will have 1, then the formula will be x1 plus x2 upon 1 plus 1, this is 2. In case of y, M2, y1 will be M2 and M1 will be 1 is to 1, means 1, 1. So 1 into y plus 1 into y2 upon 1 plus 1. Then we will have y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Next we have the centroid. We will study in this chapter about the centroid. Centroid is the point where all the median of the triangle intersect. We have these three medians. We have the points A, B and C. We have the three ends of the triangle, and the median of the triangle divides the triangle into two equal parts. The opposite side is divided into two equal parts. This line will divide also this equal part, and these are also equal. So this is A, this is B and this is C. These are the 3 points of the coordinate, 3 points of the triangle ABC. The coordinate of A is x1, y1. The coordinate of B is x2, y2. The coordinate of C is x3, y3. When we want to get the centroid, then the centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid. So now let's begin the exercise. Let's begin exercise 11. All the questions of this exercise is based on formula. Let's begin. I am going to explain some question of exercise 11. All the questions are based on the formula. The first is Find the coordinate of the midpoint. Midpoint we have the first part 2 comma minus 3, and the second is minus 6 comma 7. In case of the coordinates, we write, first we give them name. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Get the midpoint. Midpoint capital X is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, and capital Y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Put the values. In place of x1 we have 2, in place of x2 minus 6 upon 2. So capital X is equals to 2 minus 6 by 2, we have minus 4 by 2, this is 2, capital X is equals to minus 2. Now get the value of Y. Y is equals to minus 3 plus 7 by 2. So Y is equals to 4 by 2. This is Y is equals to 2. So the coordinate is minus 2 comma 2. This is the coordinate of the midpoint of the given coordinates. Now the remaining parts are same. Now second question, the coordinate of 2 points A and B are given respectively. P is a point on the line AB such that AP is to PB is equals to 2 is to 3. Find the coordinate of P. Question number 2, we have the coordinate of A and B. The coordinate of A is minus 3 comma 3, and the coordinate of B is 12 comma minus 7, and AP is to PB is equals to 2 is to 3. We have a line AB where P is the point which divides this line AB into ratio 2 is to 3. So this 2 is to 3 is the value of M1 and M2. Let's apply the formula of ratio. Capital X is equals to M2x1 plus x2m1 upon m1 plus m2. Capital Y is equals to m1 y2 m2 y1 m2 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. Put the values. In place of m2 we'll write 3. These are the coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. In place of m2 we have 3. In place of x1 we have minus 3 plus x2. x2 is 12 and m1 is 2. 12 into upon m1 plus m2. m1 is 2, m2 is 3. Let's simplify. This is minus 9 plus m2 is 3. x1 is minus 3, so this is minus 9. And 12 is the value of x2 and 2 is the value of m1. This is 24 by 5. By simplifying we have 15 by 5. This is 3. Now in place of y1 we have 3. m2 is 3 plus m1 is 2. y2 is minus 7 upon 2 plus 3. This is 9 minus 14 by 5. So y is equals to minus 5 by 5. This is minus 1. So the coordinate is 3 comma minus 1. Like this, you can solve the other question. So students,